These are the elevators at the Cedar Square Garage in Pittsburgh. Here we go. Schindler 500A. Oh wow, these are fast.
I would suggest getting it to the light.
Let's do that after we ride the other car.
Okay, we may have a lot of stops on
Let's
the way
switch. Okay, after this we'll switch cars. Pretty fast. Ooh, this thing's got a flat spot on the wheel. Looks like it's a flat spot on the guide wheel. So switch to the other one. Oh, perfect. Let's go with 10. This is a high garage. Here we go. Chime doesn't work. You can hear the other elevators. These are nice. Wow, these things are fun. Schindler, let's get a view up here. There's the K&L Gates Center, 5th Avenue Place, 1 PBG Place. There is the, I believe it's the Renaissance Hotel, 6th and Penn Garage. There's the, if you can see clearly over there, that's the Huntington Bank Plaza. Alright, now head back down to the first floor. And it's left. Let's get a look around up here. Up there goes the other machine room. There's another view. Let's see which one we get now. Hamilton, an American Parody. We got this one again. Let's go back down to 1. Let's get a cab view. Just a basic parking garage elevator. Nice window. Oh, these are fast. Oh, yeah, these are fun elevators. MT Vandal resistant, hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Oh, you can watch through the doors. These are really fast. Whoa.